We made copycat jolly hot dogs.
Let me see it. Oh, that looks nice.
It does. I'm hungry. Can I eat now?
Yes, of course. Yalla, let's go. We are making copycat jolly hot dog. And we're using beef hot dog.
Slice it like that.
We scored sausages like this.
We score them on each side.
On each side, yes, that's right.
Wow, we're really good at it.
You know how to slice the bread?
Yeah, in half, right?
Okay, okay.
In half like this.
Okay, mommy first.
Okay, Mada first.
I'm going to fry the hot dogs. First, you do the
Slicing.
slicing of the bread. You know how to slice
Like
it?
this, right?
Yes, do that. But don't cut
Through.
through again. Just
Tama na yan. Just check if it opens.
I'll slice your one.
Yeah, slice all of it.
Why? Why do I need to? Oh. Good boy, a bad boy, a half good, half bad, half boy.
so this one you have some mayo. That's so good. Guys, our copycat jolly hot dog made with the kids today. All have different preferences. That's why some doesn't have mayo, some have just ketchup. I like mine with mayo and ketchup, and I'll just add pickles when I start eating
Made
it.
copycat jolly hot dogs.
Let me see it. Oh, that looks nice.
It does. I'm hungry. Can I eat now?
Yes, of course. Yalla, let's go.